Welcome to Imtex. We are at hall number 3A, stall B113C. Please come and visit to experience the live demonstration of all manual welding process, cobot welding with seam tracking. It's also live. Our customer can really experience with changing the product and see the capability of seam tracking, precision level. So, and the robots is already on the display with manipulator and different kind of option. And we can also explain Industry 4.0 on our live demonstration screen. So please do visit. And yes, participating in Imtex is always have a reason that was one of the biggest exhibition in Asia. And up to now, the footfall and the response and the quality of the customer and the inquiry level is very specific. We are full in our booth, which is very positive, and we are showing our specially developed 7th axis robot with our complete welding solution. Flues as a welding company has known into the world. A complete solution is from Flues. We are also showing our entire range of manual welding machine and the newly launched cobot with TIG and MIG-MAG welding, including online seam tracking by welding current, which is the key for any cobot to produce in the right contour. And regarding the technology in detail, for example, the advantage of 7th axis, advantage of single source, which is unique into the world, I will ask my colleague from Germany, Maximilian Haas, to continue. Thank you.
Okay, we show on our booth our 7 axis robot, which has the main benefit that you can weld parts up to 3 meter clamping lengths without adding any additional linear drag to it. And also we show our motion equipment here for thin plate welding, and all you see here is a closed product. So the workpiece positioner is built and designed by Close, and also the power source is built and designed by Close. So we are a complete welding solution provider to the market, and the most benefit is that hardware and software, they are completely built together, and we can have the seam tracking without laser or anything, just included in our power source and in our robot together.